When you come on your ski holiday, there are a few things you can do to keep yourself safe. Now, firstly, if you are skiing quite slowly, you've got the right of way. So if you're overtaking somebody, it's your job to avoid them. Now, if you are a slower skier, stay calm and try and ski in a nice, predictable manner. Now, think about this as sort of the highway code. If you are going to stop, slow down nice and slowly and stop on the edge of the slope, somewhere where you're visible. And before you set off again, make sure you look up the slope and check there's nobody coming. And if there's a big group of you, this is even more important. And if there is a kind of roller or a bump on the slope, never stand below it. You're virtually invisible. And if you're skiing up to it, slow down and make sure you're in control. If you can't see what's behind that bump, slow down. And when it comes to looking after yourself, make sure you're hydrated. When you start to get dehydrated, you lose energy, and that's when you're going to have a problem. And a very important point, never do that dreaded last run. If you're starting to feel tired, come on, let's do another one. That's when I've seen so many people have an issue. So trust your body. When you start to feel tired, call it a day.